How to add snap from gallery without media upload. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android and iOS. Now open up your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat like this, now tap on this session now to upload your picture. After you come to this session, now tap on this camera roll. From there now you can go ahead now and select your picture you want to upload. For me, I'll just upload this picture. After you select the picture like this, now all you have to do now, you can just now go ahead now and tap on this send button. So from here now you can go ahead now and add a caption like this caption. After you add your caption on this session now, all you have to do now, from there in this session now, go ahead and choose this my story public, this one. Make sure you choose this my story public, this one. So from there you can tap on this send button. So as you can see now here it says sending. As you can see now, added to story. That's it guys on how to add snap from gallery without media upload. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.